तो खबरां वाडो प्रेसिडेंट, हांव एक तांचो मॅनेजिंग एक्झिक्युटीव मॅनेजिंग कमिटी. म्हाका उपरांत आहा दोतोर जॅक सिकेरा आनी हेर आमचे जायते मिटींग. एका दिसा म्हाका आमचे लायसन्स बंद केलें कमिशनर. सो हेणीन खंयची आयडिया सोदून काडली आनी रातचे 10 वरांचेर म्हजेशी येयले आनी म्हाका घरा म्हणटा सिर्याको तुवें शंभू काणकोणकार जावंक. सो हांवें सांगलें दोतोर लागलो तूं फकत तुजें भाशण तें कितें जाता तें आमी पळयतात. हांवें म्हणलें आय कॅनॉट इम्पर्सनेट समवन. आय एम सिर्याको डायस ना हेका शंभू काणकोण काडटलो. लायसन्स दिना आहलें नुस्तें. हांवें त्यो उमेदीन ओके म्हणलें. मिटींग जाली. हांव शंभू काणकोण काडटलो आनी म्हणून 2 वर्सां हांव शंभू काणकोण जालें. गोंया पासून 3 मिटींगेक येयलो. जोतीर न्हेसोन टोपी घालून आनी कोट घालून. अशी ओहले आमी जायतें केलां आनी हे दोतोर जॅक सिकेरान पळय जीव मारला आनी हें केलां तें फकत एकलोच देव जाणा.
शिकवणारे आतांचे जे जनरेशन जे आसा त्या टिचराकूय सगळो काय इतिहास खबर ना ह्या मागचो. तो इतिहास जर आमी जपणूक जर करतले जायत जाल्यार आमी जशें आमी फाटल्या फाटी आमी त्याच्या कानार घातलेले आनी आतां संद येयल्ली आसा 3 दिसाचें अधिवेशन आसा. आतां तो जो कॉलिंग अटेन्शन जे आसा त्या कॉलिंग अटेन्शना द्वारा हांव आमच्या आमदारा कडेन मागणी करता जी आमची जेल आसली फोर्ट आग्वादा त्या फोर्ट आग्वादा एक सिंबल ऑफ द आमचे ते फ्रिडम फायटराचे अजून ती रक्ताचे म्हाका शितोडे त्या वंटी अजून आसतलेत आनी त्या ज्या आपल्या जेलीचे रुपांतर फाल्यां कोणी येतालो आनी खंय तरी सांगतालो टुरिजमाचो व्हेरी गुड स्पॉट बरें आमी 7 स्टार 9 स्टार 11 स्टार हॉटेल काडया म्हणून. ते न जाता. हेजे एक सांबाळणूक करपाक इतिहास आमी जतन करपाक आमचे म्युझियम संग्रहालय थंय जावचे सगळे आठवणीचे बिफोर लिबरेशन ऑफ गोवा आनी आफ्टर लिबरेशन ऑफ गोवा आनी सगळो इतिहास थंय जतन जावचो. आनी म्हाका दिसता हे मायकलाच्या फुडाकारा शिवाय एका गत्यंतर ना कारण तो डेप्युटी स्पीकर आसा आनी तेजे कडेन स्ट्रेंथ आसा टॅलंट आसा तेजे कडेन काम फुडें व्हरपाक.
Special status, we need special status, they are not giving it. But if you go to see, it is we as Goans, instead of asking someone, if each and every Goan stops selling land to outsiders, maybe you can take a pledge, stop selling land, maybe you can sell land to Goans and keep this land and resources within our community. We don't need any government or any law for that regard. But as Goans, like how in the past our ancestors are very possessive of their land, they would not sell it to anyone, they would only give it to fellow Goans who are staying in their land. So if we do all this, we can preserve and retain this lost identity of ours.
मर्जर कित्याक जावपाक जाय आसलो त्या टायमार गोडेक आमचे कडेन गोंयान लागीं कांय पयशे नासले कितें खूब वेगवेगळे रिजन आसले. खूब पॉलिटिकल पार्टीनी डिसिजन घेतले की जावं न्ही म्हणून. पूण रेकॉग्निशन टू दीस पीपल 40 ऑड पीपल 40 जाण आसले 42 अराउंड 42 ऑफ देम हू फॉट फॉर दीस opinion poll and at that particular time they decided to have one leader. जसो आमचो बीजेपीन मनोहर पर्रीकर आमचो लीडर आमी मानता तेका लीडर म्हणून आयज बस. सो त्या टायमार 40 जे लीडर आसले तेंचो एक लीडर बाब जॅक सिकेर. आयज तेजो स्टॅच्यू हिंगा आहा त्या खातीरूच. पूण गव्हर्मेंट रेकॉग्नायज करिना. As opinion poll day is not recognized by government of Goa. One day this will happen. The dream of the Goans to see that opinion poll is on the calendar of the government. Government declares this as a, it should not be like non-working day, working day, but part holiday, celebrations. The history is being read out or in the assembly, all the schools on that particular day. तेणे हिस्ट्रीन आपले नाव दवरले मर्जर ऑफ गोवा विथ महाराष्ट्र करूंक दिवंक ना झगडलो. त्याच्या वांगडा कितलेशेच फ्रीडम फायटर आनी आमचे दुसरे गोंयकार आमचो शिड्याको उर्फ काणकोणकार शंभू काणकोणकर आसलो थिंगा सारको पोला खातीर झगडले, गोंयकारांक धरले आनी आयज 40 आमदार जाले आनी ते असेंब्लीन येयले. पूण 40 आमदारांक तर आयज विचारीत हे आमी करया, सगळे उगीत रावतले, सगळे आपले पॉलिटिकल पार्टीचे लिडराक पळयतले की बाबा हे करपाक जाय वा ना. म्हणजे 40 MLAs will not decide that opinion poll day should be celebrated by the government. They will look at the political party head, whether that political party head is ready to do this or not. And I feel today that the lead of this has to be taken by MGP party. महाराष्ट्रवादी गोमंतक पार्टी सुदीन धावलीकर, दीपक धावलीकराकडे मागता हांव की तुम्ही लीड घ्या. बिकॉज ज्या टायमार 2 पॉलिटिकल पार्टी आसल्यो, MG आणि UGDP, युनायटेड गोवन्स, तेन्ना बांदोडकर आणि जॅक सिकेर दोगूय जाण आमी घातले असो माझो डॅडी सांगतालो. सारखे आमी ते असेंब्लीन भरपूर आर्ग्युमेंट करताले, डिफरन्सीस ऑफ ओपिनियन्स, बट तेंचो एक हे आहले की गोंय खातीर आमी कितें तरी करूया. बांदोडकरान खूब केलें गोंया खातीर.
We have statues, we have past installation of Dr. Jack Sequeiros. But my request, since our Deputy Speaker is there from the Assembly, you all should do something as a scholarship, state level. And I'm sure, I'm requesting Sean also, give some scholarship in the name of Dr. Jack Sequeiros. That will remain in the history also. And it will continue in the coming bi-monthly meeting. You all please take a resolution. It's a demand from the villagers.
Kalamut Panchayat taking the initiative and celebrating opinion poll and giving recognition to my grandfather. I think it is a matter. It's a great day for Goans that 16 January. It's a great day that we decided to remain separate, and I think the benefits can be seen all over. We are probably the most progressive state in Goa. We have the highest literacy, and this is because as a small state we remain separate. A lot of people, like Mr. Dias has said, a lot of people contributed in keeping Goa separate, and to them we owe a deep debt of gratitude across North and South Goa. It is also, I would like to say a few words about my grandfather. I knew him, I was born in 79, by which time his political career had nearly ended or had ended, and I knew him for 9 years of my life. My grandfather was a very upright man. He was also a very stubborn man. Once he decided on something, he just stuck to it. It might have cost him in a lot of things, but I think in the opinion poll, he was quite steadfast. And there were various times, my family tells me, he came under various pressures, but he was quite clear that if Goa ever fell into Maharashtra, it would be over his dead body.
तेज्या खातीर आमचे गोंयकारपण आहा ते राखून उरले आजून पसून.